Secondly, the Terrans do not operate on any formal logical system known to the Union. We expected them, as any species would, to have developed specific defenses or attacks to face an extrastellar intruder. There was at no point evidence of any such thing present in the Sol system. Instead of seeing our attack for what it was, events Alpha and Beta seemed to be the response of a child to a new toy. Thirdly, the Terran doctrine of communications warfare is vastly more developed than our own. Do not engage. The sequence of events was as follows. On arrival in system, the heavy cruiser A5265 selected an object from those orbiting beyond the system's gas giants and propelled it in system on a direct course for Terra, with an arrival time of 1 revolution of the planet around its primary. The cruiser then went into full standby just inside of the orbit of the fifth planet to observe. Over the course of this time period, studies revealed no sign of Terran presence on any of the system's other planets save for their own satellite and the nearest planet of the system. Multiple crude chemical-fueled rocket launches were detected delivering to low orbit, but nothing further of note was seen until our test was just outside the orbit of the fifth planet.